Finding your style isn't hard. I made a formula for you. This guide doesn't just save us money on unworn impulse buys, it gives us a powerful system that transforms style decisions from stressful to effortless. Chapter 1: Lifestyle needs. Lifestyle needs form the critical first component of our personal style equation. Identifying daily activities creates the foundation for wardrobe choices that truly serve our life. Do we go into a formal office where suits are required, or is it more casual with jeans accepted? Perhaps we work from home in comfort wear most days. By mapping our actual routines instead of aspirational scenarios, we ensure our closet supports how we really live, not how we wish we lived. The goal is functionality that serves our unique rhythm. Items that transition easily between multiple settings offer the highest return on investment. Black jeans work across contexts, styled casually for weekends, but looking very put together and chic with a blazer. Retro sneakers like the Adidas Spezial work for business casual as well as in our leisure time. A quality button-down functions at work and on vacation. These pieces perform multiple roles, reducing single-purpose items and maximizing both closet space and budget. A thoughtful capsule of basics aligned with weekly routines eliminates morning decision fatigue. We can decide if, let's say, white t-shirts or cream shirts work better for us. Are blue jeans or black tailored trousers ideal for most scenarios? Now that summer is approaching, minimalist sandals might become part of our weekly rotation, mixed with retro sneakers. High quality, comfortable basics in neutral tones form the infrastructure of a functional wardrobe system. Invest in t-shirts that maintain shape, well-constructed trousers with proper lining, and leather shoes that mold to our feet. Quality pieces cost more initially but save money through longevity and versatility. Hi, my name is Bridget Fischer, and my whole goal is to help you build a stress-free wardrobe system for timeless, effortless style, and we're engineering it the German way. Chapter 2: Aesthetic Alignment. With our lifestyle needs established, we now add aesthetic alignment to our personal style equation. Looking at pictures we love helps us spot patterns in what catches our eye. We can save outfits on our phones, tear pages from magazines, or just pay attention to what makes us stop and look twice. Soon we'll notice we're drawn to similar styles again and again. Maybe that's clean and simple looks, flowy bohemian outfits, or classic timeless pieces. These patterns show what we truly like, not what we think we should like. The shapes that make us feel good about ourselves stay pretty much the same no matter what's trendy. Some of us feel best in fitted, structured clothing, while others love loose, comfortable pieces. The important thing is finding shapes that make us stand taller and smile when we see ourselves. These favorite silhouettes become our go-to framework, letting us make small seasonal changes without losing what works for our bodies and comfort. Our style shines brightest when it reflects who we really are, not when we're trying to copy someone else. The most interesting wardrobes match the person wearing them, whether that's serious, fun, dramatic, or quiet. When our clothing matches our personality, people sense that confidence. The German engineering approach means building from our authentic selves rather than constantly changing based on what others are wearing. Special pieces that make us happy become the standout elements in our wardrobes. Maybe it's unique jewelry or distinctive glasses. These items make simple outfits interesting while showing our personality. When these statement pieces match our overall style, instead of fighting with it, they create memorable looks that feel both special and lasting. By the way, if you'd like to take this personal style formula with you, I've created a free digital magazine you can download. Just click the link in the description to get your copy. You can read it on your device or print it out like I did with the CBK Deep Dive magazine. It's completely free, so grab it and start building your stress-free wardrobe system. Chapter 3: Color Theory. Color theory adds the third crucial element to our personal style equation, bringing harmony and coherence to our wardrobe system. Understanding our natural color palette boosts both confidence and how well our clothes work together. We find our best colors through a systematic approach by examining our skin tone. We can look at our wrist veins. Green suggests warm undertones, blue indicates cool. This simple test helps us pick colors that make us look our best. A strategic color scheme ensures nearly everything in our wardrobe mixes and matches effortlessly. We choose a core palette of 3 to 5 neutral colors plus 1 or 2 accent colors that complement both our complexion and those neutrals. This creates dozens of combination possibilities from just a handful of pieces. A thoughtfully planned color palette means any top works with any bottom, any dress pairs with any jacket, and packing becomes remarkably simple. Testing colors in natural lighting reveals their true compatibility with our complexion. It's a good idea to try to see potential purchases near windows and take items home before removing tags. When we hold colors up to our face, we observe if they create harmony with our natural features. These observations in natural light provide reliable data for building our personal color system. Accessories in our accent color offer impact with minimal investment. A scarf, bag, or shoes in our best colors instantly elevates simple neutral outfits. The German engineering approach values efficiency. Accessories deliver maximum style impact while taking up minimal space and budget. Chapter 4: minus trend distraction. Now we subtract trend distraction from our personal style equation. Filtering trends through our own style lens helps us avoid wasting money. Before buying a trendy item, we ask, does this fit my established style? Does it work for my daily life? If not, we just saved ourselves from another unworn purchase sitting in our closet. Our German engineering approach means each piece needs a real purpose in our wardrobe, not just following current trends. Noticing which trends we naturally gravitate toward reveals important information about our true style preferences. Observing which new styles catch our attention and which ones we pass by matters. When we consistently like similar trend elements, perhaps clean line or interesting textures, we learn what genuinely works for us. This helps us build a better filter for evaluating future trends without being influenced by marketing. We can incorporate select trend elements to refresh our timeless wardrobe without compromising its foundation. Instead of replacing items each season, we choose just 1 or 2 trend ideas that we genuinely like and that complement what we already own. Perhaps it's a new silhouette in one of our personal color palette shades or a modern fabric in our favorite cut. This approach keeps our look current while maintaining our personal style integrity. Trend-inspired accessories allow experimentation without affecting our wardrobe's functionality. Accessories offer a low-risk way to engage with trends like scarves, jewelry, belts, or even nail polish can introduce something new while our core pieces remain practical and timeless. This approach is both cost-effective and environmentally responsible, preventing the accumulation of barely worn trend items while still letting us participate in current fashion conversations.